Hey friends, it's Anastasia here, and if you've ever had a viral pin send a wave of traffic to your blog, it's a nice problem to have. But you might not realize that it can become a big problem. I have had it happen more than once. During one of my biggest Pinterest spikes, thousands of visitors in just a few hours, my site completely crashed. It was frustrating, heartbreaking, and honestly, a big missed opportunity. Pinterest can do that. I've seen sites getting over 50,000 sessions per day just to one page URL. Pinterest is known for high holiday-related and seasonal viral traffic. Even if your site doesn't crash, pages will still load slowly, which means users will leave them too early and frustrated. They will not see any ads on the site if you have them, and they won't sign up for your email list. Long story short, your income will not correspond to the traffic volume. So today, I want to walk you through everything I wish I had done differently and what I do now to prepare my blog for sudden spikes of Pinterest traffic. Let's dive into the steps that you can take to optimize your website for performance. The first thing that will help you prepare your site for it is to use a fast WordPress theme. Not all WordPress themes are created equal. Some are bloated with unnecessary scripts, slow loading fonts, and features that you will never use. So choose a lightweight, performance-focused theme like GeneratePress, Cadence, or Astra. All of these themes are optimized for speed and mobile devices. You can also enable caching. You can install a plugin like WP Rocket or Lightspeed Cache. These will create a static version of your page, and then this will reduce server load. You can also use a CDN, which is a content delivery network. So a CDN, like say Cloudflare, stores copies of your site across the globe so visitors from anywhere get faster load times. You can also compress your images. Pinterest users love pretty visuals. After all, it's a visual search engine. But your blog shouldn't be bogged down with 4 megabyte files. So use tools like TinyPNG, ShortPixel, or Imagify to compress images without losing quality. You can also turn on lazy loading. So with lazy loading, images and videos load only when users scroll down. This speeds up initial page load and it improves mobile experience for users. Next, avoid overloading your blog with too many plugins. Even if they seem harmless, plugins can slow down your site, especially when they're combined with heavy traffic spikes. So you need to audit your plugins, deactivate or delete anything that you do not absolutely need, and whenever possible, use lightweight alternatives to the plugins that you use. The next thing I want to talk about is choosing hosting that can handle it. Now, let me tell you the truth. None of these tricks that I just talked about matter if your hosting provider cannot handle the traffic. That's what happened to me. My blog had been steadily growing in the first year, and then boom, I had a viral pin. My traffic was up maybe like 400% in 24 hours. And when this happened, the site went down. My old hosting provider just wasn't built for that kind of volume. That's why I recommend you to check Kinsta, who kindly sponsored this part of the video. Kinsta provides premium managed hosting for WordPress that's built to scale with your traffic. They are powered by Google Cloud, which means that your blog runs on one of the fastest, most reliable infrastructures on the web. Remember all those steps that I mentioned earlier, like using a caching plugin, a CDN, all these things have their additional costs. But if you use Kinsta, you don't need them because it runs on Google Cloud's premium tier network with 37 global data centers and over 260 CDN locations, which means that your content loads lightning fast. even when Pinterest throws you a 10x search. And what I love about Kinsta is that they offer scalable hosting. So if you suddenly get a 10x traffic, your site stays live. And this is huge because when my site went down during the traffic spike, I wasn't aware of this happening until the next day. So I started handling this problem when it was too late. The traffic spike was over. On top of it, Pinterest penalized my site for a while right after this viral pin because they were sending me a ton of traffic, and unfortunately the page was unavailable. Now, Kinsta's dashboard is super intuitive even for non-techies, and you get daily backups, built-in caching, and support from WordPress experts 24/7. It's not from AI bots. So if you don't want to worry about losing your opportunities during the viral traffic spikes, check Kinsta's link in the description and see which plan fits your blog. Kinsta is currently offering the first month free on select plans. Plus, there is a 30-day money-back guarantee and unlimited free migrations, so you can test it risk-free. If you are using Pinterest to grow traffic, this is an investment that pays for itself. And now that your site is running fast and strong, don't let all that viral traffic just come and go. Use it as a chance to grow your email list. Install the Grow plugin from Mediavine. It's free and it's the first step for getting accepted into Mediavine's ad management platform called Journey, by the way. So you will install the plugin and you can later apply for Journey if you want to. This lets you show email opt-ins, inline forms, and sticky signups, and all of this without any code. Also keep in mind these users from Pinterest might come once to your site for a viral topic and they might never revisit it again. So you have to try your best to capture at least some part of these visitors so that you have a way to contact them again and invite them to your site again. That's why you need to use this viral moment and add lead magnets to the content. Create a Pinterest-friendly lead magnet, like a free checklist, a recipe card, or a mini course, whatever fits your topic, and connect it to Kit email marketing tools. Kit is free for up to 10,000 subscribers, and it's perfect if you're just starting out. Once people sign up, they can get automatic emails with your latest blog posts. You can set it up once and then it will run on autopilot. And this means even after your Pinterest traffic fades, you will still have a direct line to some of your readers. Next, you need to encourage shares. So here's another way to turn one viral pin into ongoing traffic. Make your posts shareable, especially on mobile devices, because most of Pinterest audience is on mobile devices. So use social sharing buttons that are fast, sticky, and they are mobile optimized. Always test these buttons on your mobile phone. I recommend you the plugin Hubbub for this. The free version is fine, but the pro version gives you control over Pinterest-specific sharing and button placement and the design of these buttons. So if you've ever seen one of those beautiful floating Pinterest buttons, it is probably Hubbub Pro. Next, make your popular posts sticky. So this is a trick that I love. Once a pin goes viral, you can highlight that post on your homepage or a sidebar of your blog for a few days. Why? Well, because it guides new visitors to the trending content and it keeps the momentum going. So you can use a plugin like Recent Posts Widget Extended or simply update your homepage manually. And as in this video today, we're talking about websites that are already getting some significant traffic and income, you're likely close to a point when you might want to legitimize your business with an LLC. If you don't want to go through all the hassle, I recommend you tailor brands. I have them linked below. You can get everything you need for your business, including licenses and permits, business plans, finances, and coaching all in one dashboard. And the next step you need to prepare is how you're going to monetize this moment. this is where you turn traffic into income. I assume that your blog already has display ads on it, so you're getting paid from that, but you want to maximize your potential income from the traffic spike. So make sure that these users don't go from the page empty-handed. So what you can do is start adding affiliate links to that viral post, or add links to some related posts from your blog and maybe some products related to this post in the first few paragraphs of your viral post. It could be affiliate products, it could be your own products. For example, say you sell an ebook or an online course, don't forget to add links to it in the first few paragraphs. Now, I hope this video helped you feel more prepared and excited about your next viral pin. Let me know in the comments, have you had a traffic spike before and how did it go? And hey, if you're serious about building a blog that survives and thrives under viral traffic, take a peek at Kinsta's hosting plans. It's fast, secure. Check the first link below. In the meantime, if you're ready to level up your Pinterest traffic, watch my next video on Pinterest SEO linked up there. I'll see you in the next one.